What's going on, guys? It is me, Christian, from Rogue Element Adventures and Brotherhood of Brew. For those that haven't seen me much, I'm usually operating the camera, flying a drone, or just driving around. So on today's episode, I'm heading out to Redwood City to meet up with our good friends at Custom Trucks. So what we'll be doing today is we're going to go ahead and install a truck topper, or a shell, if you may, from our good friends at RSI. Truck has already a cap, it's installed, it's almost ready to go. They're just finishing up the wiring for the brake light and we will be done. So far I'm really excited about the fitment. It's great. Today was more of a prototype test model to see if the cap would fit on 2018 models, and it does, so I'm super excited about that. So let me go ahead and show you guys just a quick walk around and kind of basically what they've been doing so far. This cap will withstand anything. Rain, mud, snow, dust, all that fun stuff. So it has cool features about this truck. It comes in different parts, so 5 parts: top panel, rear panel, front panel, left and right panel. So that's 5 parts. Comes with automotive glass as well, which is pretty cool. Has 2 sliding windows as well. So if you have any pets or anything, it lets it go through as well, which is really neat. Has also a negative air pressure vent, so it lets air out, which is pretty cool as well.